女士们、先生们，飞机马上就要降落在沈阳机场，请您再次确认您的安全带已扣好系紧，所有电子设备已关闭。谢谢。Ladies and gentlemen, our aircraft will be landing at Shenyang Airport soon. Please make sure your seatbelt has been securely fastened and all the electronic devices have been switched off. Thank you. 尊敬的各位旅客，我们已经到达沈阳机场，现在是北京时间11:05，地面温度25°C。飞机还将继续滑行，在系好安全带、直灯熄灭之前，请您不要开启手机电源，不要离开自己的座位。打开行李架时，请您小心，以防止行李滑落发生意外。下机时，请看好您的随身物品，交运行李请到候机楼行李提取处领取。需要转机的旅客，请到候机厅转机柜台办理手续。各位旅客，感谢您选择中国东方航空，感谢东方万里行会员再次乘坐东航班机，我们期待着再次与您相会，谢谢。Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Shenyang Airport. The local time is 11:05. The ground temperature is 24 degrees centigrade. It is safety requirement that you remain seated and the seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt signs off. Please take care when opening the overhead compartments that items inside do not fall out. Please ensure that you have your belongings before leaving the aircraft. Your checked baggage may be claimed at the baggage claim area. Transfer passengers, please proceed to transfer counters in the terminal to arrange for a connecting flight. Thank you for choosing China Eastern. For members of Eastern Miles, thanks for flying with us again. We are looking forward to see you again. Thank you.